How to free up disk space on Windows. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a quick methods to easily free up space on your disk. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have a full C drive or want to clean it, here are some of the ways that you can do it. The first thing you need to do is open up your File Explorer and then head over to your C drive. Then head over to Windows and then scroll down until you see this folder right here, software distribution. So in this folder, what you're going to do is delete everything because this folder contains all of the previous versions of your Windows update, which is not necessary right now. So there isn't much here on my folder, but if you have many files and folders in here, make sure to do Ctrl-A to select all and then Shift-Delete. The reason we're doing Shift Delete is because it won't be directed to your recycle bin, but it will be permanently deleted. This is the first method. The second method, you are going to go ahead and open up your Run dialog box. And here what you're going to do is go ahead and type in WS reset, hit enter. So what it does is it will clean up all of the cache files for your Microsoft Store. This process might take a few minutes. Just wait for it to complete and you should be good to go. And once you have done that, you are again going to open your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. And then here now on this command, you're going to type in clean mgr. Hit enter, select the drive that you want to clean up, hit on OK. And as you can see, here are many files that you can delete from. So go ahead and select all of these files that you don't really want right now. So once you have done that, click on OK and it will clean up all of your files. So click on Clean Up System Files and it will do that. So that's the third method. The other thing that you can do is go ahead and open your Run again. Now this time you're going to type in appwiz.cpl. What it does is it will open up a list of all of your application downloaded on your PC. So you can just go through them and uninstall the ones that you don't really use. So for example, if you don't use this one, you can just go ahead and uninstall this. You can also see their file size or the application size here on the right side of the screen. Just select the application that you don't really use or you want to get rid of. Then select it, right click on it, and then you should be able to uninstall or change. Click on yes and it will completely delete it. Do the same for the ones that you don't use. Click on yes and you should be able to delete everything. So that's how you easily clean up your disk space on your Windows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.